Hey guys, Portia here, and today I'm going to use my Vevor Hat Press to make a mask. I know, right? So I was today old when I figured out that this is a really awesome hack. Normally I lay the mask flat and I find myself pressing wrinkles into the mask, and I don't want that. Using the hat press virtually eliminates the wrinkles, and it helps you, well, for me at least, to guide the actual image to the exact spot that I want it. So it just, to me, makes life easier. So let me show you. Okay, so we are going to use this face mask here, and my son is a huge Naruto fan, and he wants me to put the Akatsuki Cloud Symbol on a mask for him, and he's going to wear that this on tomorrow. It's going to be his first day of school. So what we are going to do is, first we have to ensure that the actual hat press is plugged into the heat press, and we're going to make sure that this lever is pointed up. So this way the heat press itself is going to transfer the power we need to the hat press. So we are going to go ahead and do a long hold to get it powered on, and then it is going to start to heat up. So 179 Fahrenheit, and this part is heating up. Don't want to touch that. If we wanted to change it to Celsius, we just do one of these and it'd be on Celsius, but I prefer the Fahrenheit. So what we're going to do is start off by putting our mask on here. This is the bottom part of the hat press. This enables us to stretch it over the way we need to. Okay, and that looks pretty good to me. See, now we are already setting up a wrinkle-free mask. And okay, so our hat press is heated, so we're just going to press that. I'll leave it alone for now. Okay, so I'm going to also use my lint roller just to ensure that I don't have any lint, or in my case glitter. It's always glitter in my craft room, so just get that off. Okay, so we are already with a nice wrinkle-free surface, and I'm just going to eyeball our little cloud symbol here. Let's reposition that. Now, I could use a ruler to do this, but I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm just gonna put it here. All right, so at this point I'm just using my thumbs and nails to measure, and it looks pretty good to me. Okay, so we already know that our hat press is ready. Like I said, this surface right here is really hot. What we're going to do is go ahead and set it up. So the initial press, since I'm doing 2 layers, I just only want to leave it for 5 seconds. So I don't want to do a full on there. So we are going to press our little gear here. So we already see it's at 300 degrees. We're going to press the gear again because at this point we want to set the time. So we're going to set it for 5 seconds. And then we are going to, it's back at 300, press start, move that over a little bit. I did miss some time, so I'm going to do that again. It's all ready. Let's go back in, 300, hit that again, and start it. Okay. We're all done. Gonna lift that, turn that off. Okay, that's down pretty good. I can tell it's not down all the way, which is okay because that's not what we want right now. So all right, let's go back in. So now I'll take some time to place this. Now I do know that I did not line up the outline perfectly with the red part itself, but I think it's pretty darn close. So it looks good to me. Scooch that over just a tidbit. And I don't want to fuss with this for like ever. Okay, so let's look at, we're at 300 again. And we'll start off with 5 seconds. So let's put this here. (300), 5 seconds. Start. Get the pressing to going. And stop it. Turn that off. Okay, and it is not, I know it's not all the way down. I want to press it one more time. All right, so now what we are going to do is remove our carrier sheet. It is cooled just a little bit. And like I say, I know it's not fully pressed in. I didn't want it to be fully pressed in quite yet because I didn't want to overheat it and then you get shrinkage on one layer versus not, blah, blah, blah. All right. So it does look like this has a little Teflon coating, but because I don't trust that that's going to protect my surface, I'm going to put down my own. And we are going to go back in and 300 again and hit the settings again. And I'm going to turn this up to about 10 seconds. That on there. I'm going to press the little person. There we go. Just press it on down. Now the vibration function does not, it only works on the press itself. It does not work on the hat press. So I think that should be good. That off. That off. And guys, we are all done. Let that cool a little bit. But we do now have a Naruto mask, and I hope my son is happy with it. I'm sure he will be. So guys, if you have any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If there's any other videos you'd like to see, let me know as well. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. Until next time, peace.